Hello once again. I want to talk here about a electrical breaker box, and this is a 200 amp breaker box, and I've got the cover off of it, and you can see how many breakers we got in there. There's some of these breakers that have not been used. Looks like there's a 220 there breaker that hasn't been used. But anyway, this breaker box is like a 4-wire system. The previous breaker boxes used to be a 2-wire system, a 3-wire system, and that meant that the white, which is called the return or the neutral, was hooked together with the ground at the breaker box back here. But now what they have with these 4-wire systems is they have a separate bus here, and this is called a bus. They have a separate bus here for the ground wires. If you take a look at that bus there, there's only ground wires hooked into that, okay? And then they have a separate bus also for the neutral, what's called a neutral, for the white wires. They got a bus for the white wires on this side, a bus for the white wires on this other side. And of course your hot goes right into your breaker. That's right there is a 220 breaker that's used for electric heaters, electric stoves, washers and dryers. A little bit about that is you always use a 50 amp 220 breaker for your stove, and you use heavy duty wire. You can see that wire up there is a lot more heavy duty than the wire below it. Okay, so you use large gauge wire for your stove. These breakers right here, these 30 amp breakers, you can use those for electric heaters, or you can use those for your like water heater, and also for other applications, water heater, and also your baseboard electric heaters, and also some other types of electric heaters besides baseboard. Anything that produces a lot of heat or takes heat out of the air, like an air conditioner, use 220 breakers for. They're a lot more efficient, less costly. And all of these breakers down here, they're like breakers that you use for 120. The double pole breakers, which that right there is a double pole breaker. And this one right here, there's a single pole breaker and a single pole breaker right behind it. But anyway, that's a little bit about fuse boxes and the new type fuse boxes. These 4-wire systems only started here in the last couple of years that they started being in use, and they're being required now. So anyway, thanks a lot. You folks have a nice day, and I'll be posting more videos like this in the future. So please subscribe if you will. Thank you.